I just want to say thank you so much. I've really enjoyed Spotted Canary School class with all of you. I hope you've learned something. I think you might be hearing my voice in your dreams or nightmares yelling at you to use your own handwriting, but that's okay. And it was a pleasure teaching all of you, and I'm really proud of all of you. And tonight we're going to graduate. So in no particular order, I'll just be calling up everyone, depends on however I got my certificate. And Ellen
I don't hear. She wants to get rid of me fast. I'm the one with the mouth on her.
Congratulations, Ellen. There you go. Very good job. Can everyone hear? Wonderful. Nellie Key.
Is it on?
Nellie wants to be a pharmacist. When she graduates.
Actually, that was what I
Really? No way.
Yes, then my sister decided I was going to be a doctor, and then I went into medical school for a little bit, pre-med for 1 month. Decided to be a doctor.
I'm glad you're here. Thank you. Let me just find your. Thank you so much. Satina! Satina Fabry, come on down. You're our next graduate at Michael's. Thank you. It was wonderful having you and Alexia. I've got something to give to Alexia after.
They're cool. They're hot.
Alexia! Alexia is 4'3". There you are, hon. And wait 1 sec. I have a card. I'm missing one, but it's for you and Mommy. Crystal! Yay, Crystal! Congratulations. Thank you. Sutriti! On her way to India. Congratulations, Sutriti. All the best. I'm so glad that you came and that you're in the class. And all the best. And as I said, I'm only an email away. This is for you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Dina! Dina was a floral designer, but now she spends her time painting lawn gnomes. Congratulations! Thank you. Caroline! Congratulations, hon. You did great. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to sign those. I should, I just realized. And that's it, and that concludes our graduation ceremony. Congratulations, everybody. Well done. It was a pleasure. Thank you. And thank you, Janine.
You're welcome.